In this video, I'll guide you through how you can import and export email from Hostinger. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and like this video. At first, let me show you how you can export email from Hostinger. To export email from Hostinger, you have to click on your profile and then switch to old platform. But if you didn't find this option, then you have to remove everything after mail.hostinger.com/ and type old and hit your enter key. Then this page will open. Now you have to select all the mail which you want to export. To select all the mail, you have to click on select. If you want to export all the mail, then choose all. Then click on the three-dot icon, choose download and select the file format, mbox format. Then you can easily export your Hostinger mail. Now let me show you how you can import your Hostinger mail. To import the mail, you have to click on more, then choose import. Then click on browse and choose your export mail which you want to import and click on open. Now hit the import button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily import and export mail from Hostinger.